Today we are trying brake fluid for paint stripper, not a product placement for this brand. Today we're trying it on the C8 Corvette model as a test run. Let me just bring the model out. There it is. There it is. Now, I want to make it clear, it doesn't matter what happens to this car, because this car is going to be a part of the poster project now. So technically this is not classed as a collectible item anymore, so we're testing this baby on her. Let's get started. Guys, that test was very short video, but it showed a lot. It showed that brake fluid is the way forward, so I just need to buy really good gloves for it because my gloves got ruined, which is why I can't continue. But buy a bigger bottle of brake fluid. But before we could do all that, I need to buy the models in. So right now I'm currently focusing on upgrading my PC. Once that is done, we can start clicking all the models in again. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm fucking excited, you guys. See you in the next one.